Jeez. I need to see a smoke. I need to see a smoke. I just wrote my final, actually, I just submitted my final project for biomedical ethics, PHI 47. Was it? Nope, that was dog biology. That's biology 3100. I'll do that other final project. But at least I got one of my final projects done. I'm so excited. Now I just have to do my last exam for that class. University of Denver is a private university, so it's not the University of Colorado in Boulder and the other branches. That's a public university, I think, but it's fancy nonetheless. They've used some type of metal or bronze siding, exterior siding with stone, mixed with stone, and then a concrete stone. Am I seeing 3 exterior elements here? Okay, well, whatever. If I'm ill, can I get a meal? Can I get a bill? Can I get a $1 trillion, that is. Seriously. Oop, there's another blondie on campus. Yes, yes, I'm so excited. They have an ashtray here. Is that an ashtray? It is. I didn't look at. There's some dog shit in there. I didn't. There's the Anderson Academic Commons. Yep, there's another blondie on campus. Believe it, believe you me. That makes 3. So there you have it. Hey. Anyways, yeah, let me smoke my cigar. I gotta get back to work. But yeah, I finished my last. So excited that they allowed me to visit here at the University of Denver. But what I wanted to say is I'm so excited because I just did pretty much my last assignment for the semester for biology. And I've pretty much already done my paper for my LIB 4950 paper, which is my big capstone project. And so, yes, absolutely. And so I'm excited. I'll be graduating this December, even though I'll be done in like less than 20 days. Hey, Mom. She must be jumping up or something. Hey. Speaking of, what have you read lately? I'm sure there's something exciting. Whatever you dreams about, I'm pretty sure there's some type of predecessor or precedent for it, and that can help you as a foundation for you to build upon. You can take a look at it, Google it or whatever. Google knowledge. Knowledge is power. So there it is. But yeah, so they did. As I mentioned, this may be brass here, and then I'm pretty sure that's metal. It's like painted aluminum or like silicone or something. And then there might be a pantheon on campus too. I don't know if it's a shrine or a Muslim I don't know if it's a mosque or a synagogue, but I swear I saw it. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna shut the fuck up. Apparently somebody's frat.
And they were like, we should have
Anyways, University of Denver.